Hi guys, first 8 seconds shows us the success, then the next 2 minutes 40 seconds shows a load of my failures. What I've been trying to do is use the super slow-mo feature on my Samsung Galaxy A71. And the way it works, I think it's probably a 3-second video that it actually shoots. The first second is normal speed. The next second is actually the super slow-mo, and then it goes back to the normal speed again. But when you play it back, the second in the middle is the actual super slow-mo. So the clip actually takes 8 seconds, which is why that bit right at the beginning was 8 seconds long. And if you watch it very carefully, you can see me moving, or at least see my lighter moving, at normal speed to begin with. Then it slows down and we actually get the flames. And then at the end of it, it speeds up again. So I'll say it's an 8-second segment, but I think it's the first second is normal speed. The second is spread out over 6 seconds, super slow-mo. Then the final second is normal speed again. Now, in trying to do that, I couldn't figure that out to begin with, how it was doing it. So you'll see lots of clips there where nothing apparently happens, because by the time I've managed to get the lighter to light up, the 3 seconds is over. Sometimes you'll see I do manage to catch the thing on fire, but it's at the end where it's actually gone back to normal speed again. Then I've tried having the lighter alight rather than trying to flick it. Still failed. And at the very end, I realized that if I actually lit the thing first and then pressed the button, I had a fighting chance of actually getting the video that I wanted. Now, at the end of this session, you'll see the same clip over again. I play it back at half speed, which looks okay, and then I play it back at 1/10 speed, which is very jerky or steppy at the end there. But that's what the last section is. That's 1/10 speed, just so we can see what's going on. So it's been interesting trying to do it, but very difficult to get a good video out of it. Oh, this was inspired by a video by Valhalla setting fire to a dandelion head 2 years ago. So that's how long I've been trying to do this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment so we know how we're doing.